That's it. Today is a new day.
It was a recipe for disaster, a four-course meal of no siree. It seemed that happily ever after was happy, everyone was after me.
All right, don't cry. We're here for you. We're gonna do whatever it takes to get you back home, okay? Here, blow. Okay.
Luckily, no one was hurt. Bertie arrived and was pleased Percy was all right, but he was also very cross. "You've blocked the road," Bertie snapped. He was worried he wouldn't get the gentleman of the railway board to the demonstration on time. "You've blocked the road!"